Once again.
Jimmy again here from Riley's Autos, and we're going to talk about squeaking noises from the pedals of your car. So if we look down here where our pedals are, it's got a really annoying sound, especially if you're in traffic and you're just trying to move forward inch at a time. Just coming down to the top of the pedal. So it looks like it's coming from the master cylinder here. It's dried up inside. So we'll get some spray. We'll spray some here first on the inside where the piston goes in. And secondary place could be is this swivel here, or this where you got a swivel joint here as well. Best stuff we've found so far for this sort of stuff is this silicone lubricant, and this is from the WD-40 brand. So we just put it in here. And we press it in so it's open and fill it from inside. That hasn't fixed it, so we'll go up here on both sides. There you go. This, well, you've got like a swivel pin and it's sliding on it. The rubber is dried out, the plastic, just squeaking on it. But yep, while we're down here, we might as well give the rest a spray up. Any of these springs, joints. Pretty much spray anything that moves with this. You do see people using this standard WD-40, and that's not something you want to use for that sort of stuff, because this is like a displacement. This is not a lubricant really. So all this does is, if you've actually got oil or grease somewhere, you spray this WD-40 on it, it will actually get rid of the grease and or oil that you've got on any surface. So all that will do is do a temporary fix until it dries out, and then your squeak will be back, whereas the silicone grease or white lithium grease will actually stay put and last a lot longer. Now we're back in the driving seat, and we can press our pedal. Just sounds so much nicer, feels a lot nicer as well. It's moving nice and smooth. You're not getting that creak, 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 and you can feel it sort of, you know, struggling to go down, creaking as it's moving. So yeah, that's a lot better. And we don't have the very annoying noises. Sometimes just a minor little squeak like that can be very annoying.